Oh, we live. So today, I'm showing y'all what we feed the puppies. When you're weaning the puppies, you want to use some milk replacer. That's the one we use. You're not focusing. The back can show you how much you're supposed to give, but I don't read that shit.
You say you don't read it?
Nope. Because it's for one puppy, but we're doing a whole litter, so there's no point in looking at that. We already got the puppy food blended together. Another thing, the milk is not supposed to be blended, it's supposed to be mixed together. So when you put it with some water, just stir it with a spoon. We're going to show that too. First thing, whatever you plan on feeding your puppies, you want to make sure you start feeding it to the mom as soon as she's confirmed pregnant. This is what we feed, or we just blend it together. The Diamond Puppy. It's formulated for puppies and pregnant or nursing dogs. So I feed all my dogs Diamond. They got different Diamond Puppy, Diamond Adult, Large. We got a lot of different kinds, so this is the puppy food. Once you blend it together, you want to blend it till it's like loose as it can be. She was start crying. So now that you got over there tonight. Let me show you how that looks. So it should be real, like, soft and loose. Remember, you're just weaning the puppy, so like they're just getting off mom's milk. Matter of fact, I'm gonna shoot the video like this. But they're just getting off the mom's milk, so like, I'm gonna loosen it up. I'm just doing a little bit, I'm just doing it for the video. So, next thing you wanna do, get some of the replacement milk. I don't know if y'all seen it the first time. Get some of the replacement milk and you want to put it in a separate bowl. Whenever you feel like it's enough, then it's enough. Not gonna measure it. Let's see, that's enough. So what we're gonna do with this milk, we're gonna mix it with some warm water. Not hot, just warm. You want to make this milk. So once you stir it up, there shouldn't be no cloud. There shouldn't be enough discussion. So you stir it up. We still got some power in there. Let me to break them down and keep spraying. Put the milk in the food, you blend it up. Stir it up together. So now you got the milk. The milk is really just to, they're so used to their mom milk, so it's a good way to get them started on that dog food, mix it together. Got some mush. See, they eat it. Oh, we got one. Got two. Mom don't play. Mom see y'all better come get that.
She is the oldest, huh?
Oh. She the oldest. She don't know where that. Hey, Mom.
Oh, no, baby.
Mom about to get it. There she go. Mom figured it out.
The boys don't know.
Yeah, the boys don't know what's going on.
Oh,
hold up.
Daddy. Oh, that's little daddy.
Another thing you can use in there, you can put some dime. People use dime because it's sweet and they make them get at it. I didn't put none this time. That's it.